Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into exciting research topics. Today, we're exploring the impact of employee training and development on operational efficiency in manufacturing industries. This research is essential in understanding how investing in employees can lead to increased productivity and success for companies. So, let's dive in and discover the significance of this research, supported by real-world examples. Chapter 1 Introduction. Research problem. To kick things off, let's understand the research problem. The research problem is the specific issue or concern that this study aims to address. For instance, in a manufacturing company, the research problem could be, how can we enhance operational efficiency through effective employee training programs? Research significance. Next, let's talk about the significance of this research. Understanding the impact of employee training and development on operational efficiency is crucial for manufacturing industries. For example, a company that invested in advanced technical training for its employees saw a substantial reduction in production errors and downtime, leading to increased output and overall profitability. Research questions. Now, let's draft some research questions. Research questions guide our investigation and help us achieve our objectives. Here are 3 sample research questions. How does employee training influence the speed and accuracy of manufacturing processes? What role does employee development play in fostering innovation and creativity within manufacturing teams? What are the key factors that hinder the successful implementation of training programs in manufacturing industries? Research objectives. Building on those research questions, we can outline our research objectives, which specify what we aim to accomplish. Here are 3 sample research objectives. To assess the correlation between the frequency of training programs and manufacturing process efficiency. To investigate the impact of employee development on product quality and innovation. To identify and analyze the challenges faced by manufacturing companies in implementing effective employee training initiatives. Research rationale. The research rationale is the reasoning behind why this study is essential and valuable. In this case, a manufacturing company that implemented a comprehensive training and development program reported increased employee satisfaction, reduced turnover, and a stronger competitive advantage in the market. Chapter 2 Literature Review. Now that we understand the importance of the research topic, let's move on to Chapter 2 The Literature Review. This chapter involves reviewing existing studies and theories related to employee training, development, and operational efficiency in manufacturing industries. Suitable subtopics for this research could include importance of employee training and development in manufacturing, strategies for effective training program design, the relationship between employee skills and operational performance, best practices for measuring training effectiveness, case studies of manufacturing companies that successfully improved efficiency through employee development, theories and models. As part of the literature review, researchers can adopt various theories and models. For example, human capital theory. This theory suggests that investing in employees' skills and knowledge enhances their productivity, leading to improved operational efficiency. Learning organization model. This model focuses on creating a culture of continuous learning, fostering innovation, and adapting to changes in the manufacturing industry. Total quality management. Total quality management emphasizes the importance of employee involvement and development in achieving high-quality products and processes. Chapter 3 Methodology. Chapter 3 covers the research methodology, which outlines the approach used to conduct the study. Conceptual framework. First, we need a suitable conceptual framework. For this research, we can consider 3 independent variables: frequency and quality of training programs, employee engagement in development activities, and leadership support for training initiatives. The dependent variable would be operational efficiency. Research philosophy. The appropriate research philosophy for this type of research would likely be pragmatism. This philosophy allows us to combine practical insights from the industry with theoretical understanding to address the research problem effectively. Research approach. For the research approach, either an inductive or deductive approach could work. An inductive approach might involve collecting data first and then developing hypotheses based on the findings, while a deductive approach would start with existing theories and test them through data collection. Research strategy. Considering the complexity of the topic, a mixed method research strategy would be suitable. It allows us to gather both quantitative and qualitative data to gain a comprehensive understanding. Ethical considerations. As with any research, ethical considerations are crucial. For instance, ensuring the anonymity and confidentiality of participants when collecting data from employees is essential to protect their privacy. Chapter 4 Data Analysis. Chapter 4 focuses on analyzing the data collected according to the chosen methodology. Researchers can choose quantitative or qualitative data analysis based on their research approach. Quantitative analysis. If quantitative data is used, statistical tools like regression analysis can help measure the relationships between variables. For instance, a sample size of 200 employees from multiple manufacturing companies could provide significant insights. Qualitative analysis. If qualitative data is preferred, thematic analysis can be utilized. In this case, a smaller sample size, perhaps 20 employees, could be interviewed to understand their experiences with training and development. Chapter 6 Conclusion. The conclusion chapter provides a summary of the research findings and their implications for manufacturing industries. It helps tie everything together and reaffirm the importance of investing in employee training and development for operational efficiency. Chapter 6 Recommendations. Lastly, the recommendation chapter offers actionable suggestions based on the research findings. For example, manufacturing companies can invest in technology-enhanced training programs and provide opportunities for employees to participate in cross-functional development initiatives to improve overall operational efficiency. That wraps up the impact of employee training and development on operational efficiency in manufacturing industries. For access to a preliminary version of the research topic, please follow the hyperlink provided in the description. We hope you found this research topic and its different chapters fascinating. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting research discussions. Thank you for watching.